Sustainability for us is more than just the product that we produce. Sustainability at Husky runs deep. Our founder built that into our core values. It's a complete approach. You have to operate in a sustainable way, and you have to produce sustainable oriented molding products, and then you have to support the process and the future of those products. Most bio-resins are corrosive in nature, so we need to be very careful about the overall design, and we'll custom engineer every hot runner for every application. We have to think about the material selection in that design, we have to think about the manufacturing, and then once we finish that hot runner system, we ship that to the mold maker, then we have to think about process and validating the process to make sure that we can mold that part in a sustainable way, no pun intended, and make sure we can produce a high quality part. If it's not sustainable in the molding facility, then you don't have a good solution. We would have loved to offer a product that would fit bio-resin applications, period, and we could design that and offer that, and that was your one-stop shop. But that's just not the case. There's far too many combinations of bio-resin blends and too many applications, creating too many variables to have one solution that fits everything. So years of development in dealing with sensitive resins, bio-resins, led us to an approach where we have to think about the complete process from when we start to work with our mold maker partners on that specific application, when we know what that resin is going to be, through the engineering of the hot runner, through the material selection, manufacturing, and then the process validation. Side gating is very important to open up possibilities for gating on the sides of parts. We took all that feedback from our mold maker partners and we incorporated that in our new launch of side gate. We expanded the portfolio to offer more solutions. We can now do a cluster of 8, which was very important for certain parts of the medical space, for example. So proven technologies that mold makers should be interested in or should know about. I think one thing that stands out for me is our Ultra Helix valve gate design. And the reason for that is that we offer a tip for the valve gate that houses the valve stem. A lot of mold makers are using this today already, but I think it's still something very important to be aware about. That when the valve stem is completely encased in the tip, then you don't have to worry about deteriorating gate insert.